Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROYT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. A very explosive movement. Granted, the price did pull back a little bit, but that is where it all kind of depends on perspective. So I'm going to get rid of that line for now. That has served its purpose. What do I mean by depends on perspective? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. Sure, the price did pull back quite a bit, but from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher lows being put into place over extended periods of time. And that is also why 40 cents is a very important level, and this needs to be updated. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so? Well, let's say that the price comes back down here. Not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in this manner and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have some lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd very clearly still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, just making progress from the grand scheme of things. Once again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up the warning that, there is definitely a couple different perspectives out there. But assuming you do care about the grand scheme of it all, then sure, the price did pull back from its highs, but taking a step back and looking at more than just a single day and looking at multiple days, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.